Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso. Kasama rin po ang ating Police Brigadier General Arnold Abad, our District Director.
Sa ilang buwan, di ka mo mag-party, ha?
Dami.
Hindi niya kulang ka doon. Ito ang kulang ka doon.
Hindi ako naka-yellow, sayang.
Anyway, good morning.
Good morning.
Morning po.
Thank you for your time. And I always like to lagi kong binibigyan ng diin at pasasalamat ang ating mga friends in the media helping us, informing the general public, the people of Manila, on the effort, continuous effort to keep the peace and order situation in the city. Kahit bagyo, kahit gabi, kahit araw, through the leadership of General Torre, Chief PNP, and the leadership of our District Director, General Army Abad, and the men and women uniformed personnel, the City of Manila, the headquarters, SMART, and the respective station commanders. Today is a new day again for the city. I have here also the Vice Mayor, Vice Mayor Chia Jesa, and Colonel Destura, Chief of Staff of General Abad. And welcome to our regular meeting in our own little way, our own little effort to really put things in right order or perspective in regard to unnecessary or what we call the criminal activities in the city of Manila. They were presenting you the following suspects under warrant, and the most famous, the group doing things, committed crimes against property in the city. Sikat na sikat to. Layo kayo ng konti, baka maduraan kayo. Maya-maya. Here, Kurt Russell Del Rosario, alias Russell, top 4, district level, statutory rape, Pandakan Police Station, Police Station number 10. Si Russell. Ayan. Si Russell ay may arrest warrant, criminal case number R-MNL-MNL-04220-22-CR issued by Honorable P. Maria Barrias, H, Presiding Judge, Family Court, Branch 6, Manila, dated June 25. No bail recommended. Number 2, Nino Cortez E. Branzuela, alias Kuya Nok o alias Nino, Top 7 Regional Level, RAID, District Police Intelligence Operation Unit, DPIOU, under the, again, supervision of General Abad. Warrant of arrest with criminal case number R-MNL-18-104285-CR, issued by Honorable Marister B. Rendana, presiding judge, Regional Trial Court, Transport 8, Manila. No bail recommended. Another arrest, Jaco de la Cruz, San Basilio. Okay. Number 3, Jaco de la Cruz E. Cabasares, Top 5, District Level, murder by Barbosa Police Station, Precinct 14. Warrant of arrest issued by Honorable Barry Boy Ariola Salvador, presiding judge, Regional Trial Court, Branch 185, under criminal case number R-RMNL-25-05-268-CR. No bail recommended. Jaco. Number 4, Juan Ian Valdemar E. Labadero, Top 1, Station Level, kidnapping. Adaya Santa Cruz Police Station, Precinct number 3. Arrest warrant issued by Honorable Isagani Gomez Calderon, presiding judge of Regional Trial Court, First Judicial Region, Branch 8, La Trinidad, Benguet. Dalit-salita po, ito'y nagtago sa Maynila. Dito po namakay. No bail recommended. Marilyn Ponce E. Artajo, Top 2, Station Level, violation of Section 5 and 11, Article 2, RA 9165. Sabihin, nagtotrumpeta po ito. Presinto 13. Kaya pala parang warrant of arrest issued by Honorable Grace P. Chavez P., presiding judge, Regional Trial Court, Branch 177, Manila. No bail recommended. Ito na po yung panglima, or what you call the Durag-Durag Group.
Grupo.
O maalala niyo yung mga nagbabiral, nagbibidyoan. Nung araw, salisi lang. Ikaw, may style lang. Sabi, may duragan. Kasi ipiti ka, nasasali siya. Ito yung grupo, hindi lang po isa.